Hi, my name is Jamon White, and I am founder of Four Oaks Medicare Planning. At Four Oaks Medicare Planning, we do Medicare the simple way. We are your local independent agency that takes the confusion out of Medicare. When you partner with us, we take you through an easy three-step process: educate, empower, and enroll. First, we're going to educate you on Medicare and answer all of your questions so that you understand the Medicare program and you don't miss any of the important deadlines. Second, we're going to empower you to make a confident decision in the Medicare plan that's right for you. And third, we will process all of your Medicare plan enrollments. We take care of everything so you don't have to. And when you become part of the Four Oaks Medicare family, we'll continue to help you with your Medicare for the years to come. And best of all of our services are always free to you. So if you need help with your Medicare or just have a question about Medicare, reach out to us today. We're here to help.